Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I am in Santee in a new development area and I just wanted to show you a few of the plans, but I'm gonna show you the third plan right now, which is right behind me. So as you can see, there's still building in the area and there's a few homes left. Let's walk in. So this is plan 3. You have a bedroom on your first floor as soon as you walk in, with an amazing bathroom and shower. And as we walk through the house, I believe this house has more than eats the regular houses. So it was upgraded, put some finishes and touches that the model homes, they always are furnished nicely, and they're trying to make the house look as beautiful as they can, but it's going to be costing you a little bit more for the finishes, for the nice floors. But let's see, there's a closet over here as soon as you walk into the property, which actually goes pretty deep all the way here, so you can have a party here for the dogs. I really like how they put the little touch here with the mirror. And right here, I believe this is the garage, but it's not going to open. You have the lights and AC, I believe, here. It's a pretty spacious home, especially here. In San Diego, you're buying a house in the $1 million mark. That's really unbelievable, and it's very hard to find something in that price range that's in the area. And also, it's not even opening, huh? So as you can see, the backyard is not the biggest, but it is spacious, and you do get some mountain view. You are pretty close to your neighbors. That's the only downside, I would say, in this community. But I do like the kitchen and how open it is. I really like the finishes and the color that they chose for this specific kitchen. And of course, you get the appliances that come with the house. Very nice. Let's go. You got the AC over here. Let's go to the second floor. Okay. So again, guys, this house is going to be sold in the high 900s to the low millions. You do get the sunlight coming out, which is really nice. And you can see there's still homes being built. You do have a park outside. Closet. Another great living area right here, where you can hang out with the family, watch some movies. 2 sinks. Again, guys, this house is incredible when it comes to the price, because it's very hard to find a house in San Diego this big for $1 million. Yes, you're gonna be about 20 to 25 minutes away from downtown and everywhere else, but if you're looking to get a house, really good condition, great area, you're pretty close to all the shops in the area, great schools. Let's see, got another closet over here too. You have a lot of space in this house. Amazing. And I really like the window right there. So they did think of the little things, which I really do enjoy watching new builders create it. And as we walk into the master is very spacious. This floor plan is very open, very clean. I actually like the carpet, and it comes standard. That's amazing. And the home does come with solar, so if you have a Tesla or an EV, it'll be great. You're gonna save a lot of money. A lot of space for your bath and for your shower with a window. I would tint this window so people won't see me when I'm showering or taking a bath. Pretty spacious bathroom. Hers, plenty of space. Great light fixtures. And then the closet. Let's see the closet. This is Actually, very big. This is could be a room over here. Seriously, you can have it like a party here, a large room. This is a very big closet space. So that is it. This is the model plan 3. If you are looking to move in this neighborhood, I'll be more than happy to show you this home. There's a few homes left, I believe 5 more left. Let's get in, let me help you. My name is Alex, I am with Compass Realty, and if you are there looking to buy or sell or invest in real estate here in sunny San Diego or anywhere between LA and San Diego, feel free to reach out to me. And until then, до свидания.